And the little subheading there today is decimals, reading and writing them. And you may or may not already know how to do this, but hey, it's always good to go over it. So the question is this. If you have this decimal, 12.25, and you are asked to write that out in words, which would be the same way technically you should say the decimal. I mean, usually when I read answers, I just go 12.25, but that's not the technical way to say them mathematically. I don't say them the technical way because you would question them. This is just easier to say. What are the steps when you write them in words? There's pretty much 3 of them. It's pretty simple when you write them down and you write them down here. The first thing you do is say the number in front of the decimal. Say the number in front of the decimal. So here's my decimal. In front of it is the number, in this case, the number 12. That's not so hard, is it? You won't spend long on that step. The second step is to say and for the decimal. So here's the decimal. I'm going to say and 12 and here's where things get all crazy. The third step is to say the number after the decimal. And you say it like there's no decimal there. The number that comes after the decimal there, I'll have a chance to write that down first. I don't want to get too crazy. Say and for the decimal, say the number after the decimal, in case you can't remember. The number after the decimal here is 25. So we've got 12 and 25, and then we just have last step here. What color have I not used? Let's go with let's go pink. And then here's the clincher. The last thing you do is you say what place the last digit is in. Which simply means this. I look at the last digit. That 5 is in what place or place value? It is in the adding hundreds place. So you tack that on the end and you say, I don't have enough room to write it there. Hundreds. So it is 12 and 25 hundredths. That is the way you would write it. That's the way you would say it technically. What another one? What about this? Let's add another digit on there. If I asked you to write that out in words, following the super simple 4-step non-fail method here, you would say the number in front of the decimal, which is 70. You tack on the word and. By the way, those of you that say numbers like this, see the number 3, that number up there? I hear a lot of people go 301. Technically, it's not right. The word and should always be reserved for decimal. You just say this as 301. No and. Okay, that's sidetrack. 70 and And then I have to say this number. What is this number? It is 136. 130-6. And then you must remember to say what place is the 6 in. It is in the thousands place. Thousandths place. Thousandths place. 70 and 136 thousandths place. Thousandths. And then, well, let's do one more. Let's go down a little bit. How about that one? Who wants to take a shot at that? Saying that one out loud. 707.707. What would it be, Maggie?
707,000.
Well done, absolutely, positively nice. How about? Well, that one's going to take the cake. Julia?
1,080,000.
Well done. 3131.313. Andrew?
3,131 and 313,000.
Nailed it. All right. Now, unfortunately, that's not quite all because we have to be able to go the other way, which means if you're given words, you need to be able to write the right decimal for it. So let me give this one at you. If you have this 30 and 30 and 45 thousandths. $30 and 45. Did I spell 40 right? Is there a U in 40?
No.
Is it just FO?
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, well, I'll just cross it out. Most people, let me tell you where most people go wrong. When they would write this out, most people get the 30, right? And you get the word at the end of the decimal point. And then 45 thousandths, I see this a lot. What is wrong with that picture there? Esther? Right. The way I have this written, it's not 45 thousandths, it's 450 thousandths. So what you have to remember is, I know my number's 45, that 5 has to be the last digit. So I have to kind of go back and rewrite this as 30, and there's a 0 in the tenths place. The 45 has to go there because that is 45 thousandths. This is 450 thousandths, and that's a completely different number. Now, what about this? Here is the other place. I didn't want to do that. What if I have this? 75 thousandths. $75,000. Sam?
75.000.
That's 75 and no thousands. This says 75 thousandths. And that's why I did it, because this can be a little confusing, because if there's no whole number, this is, you could also say it like this, 0 and 75 thousandths. But a lot of times when there's no whole number, they just leave this off. You know, you just have to recognize that this just gives you only decimal number, 75 thousandths. So it should be, Trevor,
75,000.
you have to give me it in decimal form. Point what?
0.75. 0. .0745,000.
Well, just 0.075, yeah. Okay, that is 75,000 because it was in the thousands place. So be very careful with that. Okay? If there is no zero, and you could say zero and then you put zero and, you can write it either way, but the book does not always give you a zero and you have to watch out for that. How about 7 and 89 hundredths? 7 and 89 hundredths. You know, here you see the word and, so you know that's got a decimal point. What would be the digits that go there? Frankie?
7.89.
Yep, just 7.89. That 9 has to be in the hundredths place, and it is 7 and 89 hundredths.